Two U.S. Coast Guard ships visited Karachi from 6th till 9th of October 2022 during a scheduled port call. Led by U.S. Coast Guard's Captain Eric Helgen, Commodore for Patrol Forces Southwest Asia, Fast Response Cutters USCGC Charles Moulthrope and USCGC Emlen Tunnell visited as part of an ongoing series of joint exercises and technical exchanges between U.S. naval forces and the Pakistan Navy. Captain Eric Helgen maintained, "We are extremely excited to visit Pakistan as we build our relationship in a very dynamic region." The U.S. delegation visited the mausoleum of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah and paid respects to the founder of Pakistan. Captain Eric Helgen laid a floral wreath at the mausoleum and signed the guest book.